Hey guys, it's Ginny from Polly's Paper Studio. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project share for you. This is an envelope flip book that I created with the Fairy Dust collection from Graphic 45. I'm using the 8x8 paper tablet, and you can see there is not much left of it because I have been using it quite a bit. And I've got all of my scraps stored so that I'll be ready to create the next project. So this is an A2 size envelope. I created these with the envelope punch board. There are 3 of them, and I just used a crisp white cardstock for that. And then I attach them, which I think everyone is making them now, so I don't need to describe that part, but I do want to share the details for the cover. I used one of the images from the cut apart section, and I added that to spacers so that it will have a lot of dimension. I embellished it with coordinating flowers. There are some dimensional butterflies, some berry stems, and some sequins. I also added stickles to the wings. I don't know if you can see that. And then I've got it attached with this beautiful coordinating purple plaid ribbon, and that just wraps around and ties. I've left a generous length here so that tying the bow will be easy and it will have a nice long tail. So on the inside cover, I have just a coordinating color combination from the front so that it will look nice when it's open, and also all these layers have matting that is created with a grape colored cardstock. I used that also to create this die cut doily and then topped it with a circle of the coordinating pattern paper, so it looks nice when it's closed and it also looks nice when it's open. The first flip will have a belly band here, and there is some pattern papers, one of the smaller images, and this can just be pulled out and added pictures and journaling to. This section here will have a tip-in, and that has a pocket with a tag underneath. This is sort of a gusseted pocket, so there is plenty of room for pictures and journaling and little keepsakes and like flat mementos like tickets and that type of thing. And then these tags will pull out. There's a generous room here for pictures and journaling. And then once the tip-in is closed, there will be a larger tag to pull out of the back pocket of the envelope. So I think you could also use if you purchased your envelopes, they would have card inserts. You could decorate those and slip them into the pocket. And then I'm using the purple cardstock throughout so that everything has a coordinated look. On the inside pocket in the center, the tip-in comes from the top, one larger section in the middle, and then one more of the bigger tags to pull out. And then for the left-hand side, I've got a mirroring pocket with a tag. I'm just using different combinations of the pattern papers so that it will all coordinate. They all work really well together, so you'd be hard-pressed to find a combination that didn't look good, as long as you keep the matting in there to keep the patterns from getting busy. So we've got 3 tip-ins, 2 tags to pull out here, and then 3 of the larger pull-outs in the envelope pocket section. And then once it's all wrapped up, you can see that it is also finished on the back with coordinating pattern paper, and then it is easy to tie up after you have filled it with all of your favorite pictures and journaling and mementos. So once again, this is the Graphic 45 Fairy Dust collection. This is ribbon from Really Reasonable Ribbon, and I used the envelope punch board from We Are Memory Keepers. So if you are interested in checking out any of those products, I will link their shops in the description below. You will also find links to our social media sites. We're on Facebook and Instagram, and our blog and our Etsy shop. So As always, I am wishing you a happy and productive day. If you like this video, give it a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.